On a vibrant tropical island, there lived a friendly crab named Yappy. Known for his extraordinary hospitality, Yappy's colourful shell was a welcoming beacon to all island creatures. Yappy loved organising grand beach feasts. He would scuttle around, collecting exotic fruits and preparing mouth-watering delicacies, inviting every animal on the island with a warm smile. One cloudy day, a weary, lost turtle washed ashore. Yappy, with his big heart, welcomed her with open claws, offering the best of his food and a cozy corner in his shell. The grateful turtle shared tales of distant oceans, enchanting Yappy and his friends. Yappy's kindness had not only provided shelter, but also brought new stories and friendships to the island.